think of it at the start of that movie. No? Okay. There we go. Sorry. The question is, have you ever pretended to be someone else while having sex? And I saw this question and I thought, what an awkward question! Who asks somebody this? But then I got to thinking about it, and I guess it's sort of true for me. Not in a I pretended to be Angelina Jolie or anything, but you know, I think there's always a little bit of different roles that you can try on that maybe make things a little interesting in the bedroom. I think that mine involved a lot of jewelry and perhaps a tiara. Look, just don't worry about it. Anyway, I want to know maybe what you guys have pretended to do or who you pretended to be during sex. You can click add reply below and let me know.